Up next, a real attention getter in the form of a 2011 Harley-Davidson Dyna Wide Glide. Skinny front tire, raked out fork. Here's the worst part of the bike right here. The normal pitting on the fork lowers. Everything else is really immaculate. Just came out of detail looking like this. I really like the flame treatment, the red outline around the black flames. Also like that under 13,000 miles on a 6-year-old bike. I also really like Vance & Hines power shots. They sound great. They will see you and hear you coming down the road. Nice, loud, but not obnoxious pipes. And the same color God gave bees. Gets my attention. I'm personally a little bit allergic. Bikes available for test, listen, and a test ride 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.